Hi, my name is Julie. I'm with Orchard Meadows. We're going to be touring our 1-bedroom, 1-bath, 800 square foot luxury apartment home. Our 1-bedroom, 1-bath features a large open concept modern design with 9-foot ceilings. In our 1-bedroom, we have this nice, beautiful open kitchen. This kitchen does have its own separate island with the double sinks as well as the dishwasher. On the other side, you will have the full-size fridge, glass top cooker, and then you also have the cabinetry as well with ample storage. Next to the kitchen, you have your laundry room, which will have the energy efficient, full-size washer and dryers. These washer and dryers are fantastic. They are very quiet as well as they also help you with your energy bill. Your living room right here will feature large, beautiful windows. It'll bring in a lot of natural light into your living room. Off in your living room, you will have a beautiful patio. You can also use it as your own private entrance. Off of your dining room right here, this right here will fit a beautiful table. On your island as well, you are able to also fit bar stools under there for additional seating. Your apartment home features a nice spacious bathroom. You will have the full-size tub with the curved rod on top. You will also feature the energy efficient comfort level commodes and the full-size vanity as well to store all your products. On the other side of your bathroom, you will have your bedroom right here. This bedroom is large enough to fit a king-size bed in. The king-size bed will also have enough room to walk around. You have beautiful windows coming in right here with all the natural light. Off of your bedroom, you will have a large full-size closet that will house all of your clothing, your shoes, and all the storage you need. All of our luxurious apartment homes offer a cozy lobby. We also offer an elevator for easy access to your homes.
Thank you for touring with us today. Morgan Properties makes leasing your next apartment home a breeze. So just check out our website at morganproperties.com to submit your application today.